Guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 254. The specified extended attribute name was invalid. Error invalid EA name on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the possible solutions. The first one is right click on a start button and choose settings. And here from the left side, go to Windows Update and update your operating system with Windows latest update. Click on check for updates, and if any updates available, simply download and install it in your system. Also enable get the latest update as soon as they are available. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type msconfiz and click on OK. This command will open system configuration windows. Here from the top menu bar, go to boot and click on safe boot and click on apply and OK. Your windows will now open in safe mode. And after opening the safe mode, again go to right click on a start button and choose run and type msconfig and click on OK. System configuration window will now open in safe mode. And here go to services from the top menu bar and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and choose disable all from the bottom right corner and click on the startup tabs from the top menu bar and click on the link open task manager. Here task manager window will now open. Here look for any startup apps enabled in your system, manually disable it. If any enabled startup apps you will find, right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your startup apps enabled in your system, and thereafter close the task manager window. And click on apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your error code is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open control panel in your system. Here under available control panel items, go to recovery option, click on recovery, and here click on the link open system restore. Restore system files and settings page will now open. Here click on next. On the next page, choose a system restore point, automatic restore point, Windows update, and you may check the option show more restore points from the bottom left corner and select it, any restore point and from which your computer was in good state, and click on next and select your restore point drive. You can see the status ready to restore. Select this drive and click on next and finally confirm your restore point. Choose finish and follow on screen instruction to complete the restoration process. Your error code will definitely be resolved after restoring your